Squarespace SEO tutorial, SEO optimization on Squarespace website. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily optimize our website for search or for some other things. So let's get started. We are on squarespace.com on their homepage. Let's click on get started and then just log in to continue with Google, and we'll come to our homepage where we can manage all of our websites. We'll come to our dashboard, and as you can see I have a lot of different websites. I'm going to show you how can we easily optimize one of them for SEO. Firstly, we need to click on the name to come to our managing page, and from this page here we have options to optimize. So in order to do this, we need to click on marketing and we'll come to SEO appearance, and as you can see we'll come right up here. So the SEO from Squarespace also gives us the checklist of how can we make it easier to optimize our website, and there are a lot of steps described here. I suggest you to read it. But basically there are main features we need to do. So firstly, we need to add the SEO title format. The title appears in browser tabs and search engine results. So we need to add the title. We can easily make it by ourselves, or we can ask ChatGPT, for example, to create it for us. Also, we have like SEO site description. A short description of your site. It should be between 50 and 300 characters. Length displayed varies by search engines. So you need to know that everything you're writing on your website or in the description is connected to SEO and it's analyzed data. So if you are creating, for example, art portfolio, try to use as much as possible words about art, about like something which is connected with portfolio area, and it will be easier as for us. So these are the main features. We can easily also find how does it looks like. As you can see here, where will be the title and here will be the description. And also what can we find here on our checklist, that we have some options we can even do before creating. So we can add a site title. We can make it like easier to understand. We can add a site description. So as we already discovered, add a SEO description and check your page and title formats. Also on the site design, there is also like some advices. Add a browser icon. How can we do this? We just simply need to go to homepage here and go to design. And here we can click on browser icon and we can add the icon of our website here. So it's pretty cool. Add social sharing images, create a custom 404 page. So we can do the same on the design area, and we can easily go to 404 page. And this page is like about something happened, some errors or some mistakes. So it's displayed 404 or not found error message when a server is unable to locate a page. Usually do it to a dead link or incorrect URL. Select either an unlinked custom 404 page or a live page from your site to direct users to. Then this happens. So we can easily go to change it to contact area or to some other stuff, but simply we can also add the 404 page. And also they have like domain and URL, advices. Connect a custom domain, connect to social media, ensure SSL is enabled, check URL slugs, choose your blog for post URL format, add your location, publish your location online. And after publishing, we can also do some other stuff. We can easily verify our website with Google Search Console, request that Google indexes your sites, verify your site via Bing Webmaster Tools, enable AMP, connect to Google Analytics, and also we can optimize our contacts, make updates strategically, redirect changes to or broken links, continue updating and adding content. So it's all about creating new contact here. track your site traffic. So we can do this by simply going back to home and go to analytics from traffic sources here. So we can find all the information. We can also manage search keywords. So to do this, we need to connect it to Google Analytics. Follow Google Analytics and content best practices, your keywords strategically. So in our articles, we need to use the keyword, for example, art, portfolio, resume, and so on. Structure your content, add alt text to images. We can do this by simply going to editor page, and from this page here, we just simply need to click on edit and add the alt text right up here, image alt text, as you can see. Give your images readable file names. Keep your pages snappable. So if you're going to upload your own images, give them readable file names. It also helps to optimize it for SEO. Page collections and some other tips: add social sharing, add tags and categories linked to your site's content, customize URL slugs, and site ranking changes, more help. So basically, as you can see, these are main features, and as you already understood, it's not about only writing some keywords, it's also about the content we are going to publish. We need to create some like post with keywords, so we need to create it strategically according to some theme or some other stuff. So decide what are you going to create your website about. For example, this one is about portfolio, so all this stuff here should be connected to this theme. So add different articles with keywords, add like images with good file names, add the alt text, and so on. And after that, all the SEO of course takes time, so all you need to do is just to do it consistently every single day or week. Analyze data from traffic sources, from search keywords, from Google Analytics, so it will help you to reach new viewers from search with SEO optimization. And as for me, it's pretty cool that Squarespace provides us the opportunity to do this stuff right up here. And as you can see, the Squarespace is not like free. It has like free trial, but it also have like paid plans, like personal for $16 and business for $23. So we can easily start, and after that we can decide what is suitable as for us. Business has all the features from personal and some more. So basically, this is a video about SEO on Squarespace. I hope, guys, this video helped you out. If you have any questions still, you can write them in the comments below. And I wish you a very, very good day. So that's all for this video. Goodbye.